Hello friends, myself Udaipur. I am the expert of Sah Polymers Limited. I am associated with this company since last 8 years. The Sah Polymers Limited is a 29-year-old manufacturing in this industry of packaging. As we are the one of the prominent and exporter and manufacturer of this PP bags, FIBC bags, BOPP Laminated Bags, and PP fabric rolls. We are exporting more than 26 plus countries across the globe. Our company, Sah Polymers Limited, is a subsidiary company of Sah Industries Limited, and the company has been listed in Jan 2023 on BSE and NSE platform. As being the reputed manufacturer, we always work on the quality and the prompt delivery schedules for across our client to the international or the domestic clients. Our per month production capacity is that 1000 metric tons per month is our production capacity, and we have the 3 tape lines which give the emphasis to take the advantage over our competitors in this industry. As the management is managed by Mr. Murtaza Ali Moti, our managing director, who has a vast experience in this industry with the financial accumulates, and our chairman Mr. Asad Dawood, who is a young and energetic entrepreneur dealing with us different SKUs of the good. We are using the DataNote ERP since last 3 years. Earlier, we are using the local software for process to monitoring our data and all this, and some of the part we are working on the Excel sheets. Actually, we come to the DataNote ERP from our resources from the industry. That the company Sah ERP has been developed a software for the Wovensack industry, which is very accurate for the data which has been worked on the raffia industry. So we have gone through for the DataNote ERP, and regarding apart from the DataNote ERP, we have gone through other vendors also, but we don't find the synchronization and designing processing of that ERP's flowchart with our industry. So we have moved for the DataNote ERP for that. The major benefits which we get from the DataNote ERP, that all the reports we are getting from the single vendor. Earlier it was a manual process we are doing, so to get the all data, we have to coordinate with other departments also to get this data, but this will create a problem while error in the data, second in the time, because if any person is absent, we are not able to access those data. And the most important, that I am handling out the export department of the company. When I was traveling abroad, I am not able to take the data what is going on in my marketing department, but through the DataNote remote ERP control system, I can access my data from my trip during my trip also, that what is going on in the marketing department behind me. So it is give the accessibility from anywhere regarding the data, and the data which is we are gathering, received, that is error-free data are there. So it gives a clear picture to us without wasting our time. The most complicated problems which we are facing to synchronize all data in a one format. So that's the main issue which we have in all the software system, that from everywhere we have to gather the data, then make to have the final reports, which is very complicated. So that's why we have switched to for the DataNote ERP system. In our industry, the most critical challenges we are facing, that in the production we have to put the 700 to 750 entries in a single day, which is a very complicated process and time-taking process. So through the implementation of DataNote ERP, the utility we have used in there, from the DataNote Excel, we are directly importing those entries in our system, which reduce our team, which reduce our time, and secondly, the most of the person who are non-technically into handle out the Excel sheet in a proper way, that is an easy and accessible tool for them also. And the second, can be you don't have to be on the company to access this DataNote ERP. You can access from anywhere, so that you are on the fingertips of what is happening in the company in and around. Actually, when we started the process with the DataNote team, we have started with to make the things streamlined. We have gone with the process to process by our flowcharts. On the initial basis, we stopped the module with the 3 modules we have taken. One is the marketing, that is the sales order related. Second is the production, and the third is the purchase. So to synchronize all these 3, marketing, production and the purchase, we got the streamline of these 3 departments. Once it was completed, then we have purchased the other module like the CRM is there, quality is there, This two also we have accumulated, and within a time frame we have completed this model with the help of DataNote ERP team. After that we have moved further to complete the whole process of ERP through DataNote. So in the final stage of our ERP implementation, we have gone for the accounts and the HR also. The most important benefits which our technical team and the production teams get from the DataNote ERP, that they have the actual data of which is implementing in the production, that how much is the production backup is coming in a single shift, how many of the machines are running on the production, how much is the productivity we are gaining from each machines. So all this data gives an overall picture of our production's utilization, and on that basis the production team is capable to do whatever the changes or whatever the process implementation they have to do to make the streamlined production at all assembly lines. They can easily assess these data and they can take a call accordingly. Yes, we recommend the DataNote ERP for the other companies in our segment, because it is a very complex industry to streamline all this process. But with the experience of DataNote ERP team and the backend and the industry experience they have, we will become the DataNote ERP for other industry sector also and in our same industry segment.